the hinge is right here. The tips of the tails will be welded onto the actual pin there, and that's where it'll pivot. And let's see if I could kind of show you more or less something like this here. The issue I have before I proceed is the height. I know for the last one you said you didn't want it more than 5 inches in depth. Right now we're beyond that, so let's take some measurements. Alright, this ruler here is roughly 7 inches. So right now we are at about 6.5 inches. Let me know if that's going to work. Otherwise I would have to shave off something, probably recline them further back. Not quite sure yet. And just kind of put them together here. Oh. So get some additional light in here. Here we go. Yeah, that's him basically. I just got to give him a wash. Then I'm going to come back one more time and clean him up a bit. And once he's nice and blended and smooth and more of the detail is popping, we'll call it a day. And I have to design the plugs that go on the other side of the wall, well, the other side of the door, to hold this thing, anchor this thing to the door. The dolphins still need more detailing. When I apply the wash, it'll smooth out, and I come back and give it another pass. And with the wash, his hair and everything will kind of blend in, get rid of the hard lines. Pretty cool. I like them.